Hello my dear students, welcome back to biology class. Today we will have a discuss on a new topic, that is fertilization in plants. In our previous class we learned about the process of pollination. So let's recall the process again. The process of pollination occurs in flowering plants. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of same or a different flower. We have also discussed about the types of pollination. They are self-pollination and cross-pollination. Now, let us see what happens after pollination. The next and most important step is that of fertilization. Now, what is this process exactly? Let's watch in detail. Fertilization is a process of fusion of male and female gametes to give rise to an embryo. So after pollination is successfully accomplished, how do fertilization occur in plants? Let us see. In the structure of a pistil, the female reproductive part of the flower. The pollination process has caused the pollen grain to safely land on the stigma, which is seen here. You can see in the picture. For fertilization, the male gametes need to reach to the lower part of pistil called the ovary, where the female gametes are present. The female gamete or egg cell is present inside the ovary. You can see in the picture. The female gametes has to fuse with the male gamete to form a zygote. It is possible by the pollen tube. This tube comes from the pollen grain itself. The tube travels down the complete style and ultimately reaches to the ovary. The tube carries along the male gametes, that is safely taken to the ovary. Now, once the gamete reaches the ovary, the two fuse, giving rise to formation of a single cell. Okay? This is the zygote, and the zygote develops into an embryo. Zygote formation in plant marks the completion of fertilization. Then now, what happens next? What will happen when fertilization successfully accomplished? So after fertilization, the ovary develops into a fruit and the ovule develops into seeds. So now what is ovule? An ovule is a part of female reproductive that will develop into seeds after fertilization. Okay? The ovule forms seed The seed is nothing. It is a structure of containing embryo inside it. Okay. Seed is nothing. It is a structure of containing embryo inside it. That is a baby plant. That is a baby plant. The baby plant is yet to develop, so it needs protection. That is why we have the seed. A seed remains safe by a protecting guard is called seed coat, which protect the inner delicate part called the embryo during the unfavorable conditions. So, how do the plant grows from single seed? Now, when seeds are sown into the soil, okay, when seeds are sown into the soil and when they achieve favorable condition, they germinate to give a new plant. Okay. So after fertilization, the ovule develops into seed and the ovary becomes the fruit. Then other parts like sepals and petals fall off. So that's all for today, my dear students. Next class we will discuss about fruit, parts of a fruit, types of fruits and different function of a fruit. So read today's topic, fertilization. Read from your book. Next class we will learn about fruit. We will meet soon in next class. Thank you.